Folks, today I have my first ride and I have this nice bike. Keep follow up. I got new seat. I'm gonna have like fender covers today, and stay tuned. I'll show you what it is. I called company and they offered me this excellent fenders. There's one for the front and one for the end, and some hardwares. So let me install this and I'll show you what it looks like. This is my new bike. All the hardwares is alien wrench, and we do have one right here. They come with bike. This is simply what you do for the front. Just like flip the bike upside down and put fender on it, and install couple bolts. The holes are pre-drilled, just like that from both sides, same as on top. Just like on each side, and the same as on the back. I find out that it's easy to use. It's just an impact drill. I just love it. For some reason, their tool right here, it doesn't work very well on this guy right here. I think it's a little too small. Yeah, it's a little too small. Has a little play, but this is extra. This is original tool from the bike, so that's extra. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be work. It's supposed to use something else. Another thing, let's see. Another thing, I'm not sure what to use here. This one will be too short. Just go right to We're gonna lose the rest of the parts. To be honest, I'm just enjoying to assemble this myself. Well, I get some information page when I remove that. So it says frame 700C wheels, men's 18-inch, aluminum hybrid handtail, seat, water, comfort, saddle, derailleur, Shimano, Tourney 7-speed for all your shifting needs. Shifter, Shimano, Revo Shift 7-speed twist shifter. Crankset, Dotek, steel crank with 36 tooth ring and built-in chain guard. Brakes, power alloy V-brakes for optional stopping power in various conditions. Tires 700x30C Innova tires mounted on double wall alloy rims. To the same theme we got on Spanish as well. Okie doke. Finally we free up manual and manual the instructions, so I'm assuming it's Italian or Spanish. I wish that to be in Russian. Oh my goodness, we got a key. This is a three-way tool, very good. I love it. And this is a wrench, nice. Okay, keep. So it basically says everything. So it's going to be very big, huge. Instruction thing. I'm not sure if I should have. This is what you also need to include that. I don't know if you wanna watch all this, but at least basically I wanna show you and share with you this nice bike for 220 bucks. I put it together a little bit more. I don't know. Instruction is really big. To be honest, there's many pages, but the bike itself pretty much all assembled. So next things we have